If you use Firefox every day, adding the right security extensions is one of the easiest ways to improve your privacy and reduce tracking online. In this video, I'll show you how to secure Firefox with security add-ons in just a few simple steps. We're going to install two popular privacy tools, Privacy Badger and NoScript, so you can start browsing with more control over what loads in your browser. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox and look to the top right corner of the browser. Click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu with all the browser settings and tools. From that menu, click Extensions and Themes. This takes you to the Firefox Add-Ons area where you can search for and install browser extensions. Once the extensions page opens, use the search bar and type Privacy Badger. After the results appear, click on Privacy Badger to open its add-on page. On that page, review the extension details, then click the Install button to add it to Firefox. Firefox may ask for confirmation, so approve the installation if prompted. Privacy Badger is a helpful privacy extension because it learns to block trackers automatically as you browse, which can reduce unwanted tracking across websites. After that, go back to the extension search bar and type NoScript. Click on NoScript when it appears in the search results, then open its add-on page and click Install. NoScript is a more advanced security extension that helps block scripts, which can give you more control over what runs in your browser. This is especially useful if you want to limit potentially risky website behavior. Once both add-ons are installed, Firefox may show their icons or prompt you to manage their permissions. Take a moment to review the settings so you understand how each extension works. Privacy Badger is great for automatic tracker blocking, while NoScript gives you a more powerful layer of script protection. Together, they can help make Firefox a much more secure and privacy-focused browser. If you ever want to manage these add-ons later, just return to the Extensions and Themes area from the Firefox menu and you can disable, remove, or adjust them anytime. That's all it takes to secure Firefox with useful security add-ons. You've now installed Privacy Badger and NoScript, giving your browser stronger protection while you browse. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.